Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you some basic Linux commands which can be quite helpful if you are learning Linux right now. So these are two basic, but I'll be taking you to more complex commands later on in this series, which I am starting right now. I don't know what it will be called. Let's name it Linux for hackers or Linux for noob hackers. We'll see about that later. Okay, so let's open terminal. I have terminal opened right now, and the first command is date, date. So this command will tell you about current date. It's not quite helpful right now, but yeah, in some cases, like I tend to forget date quite a lot, so it can be helpful at that moment of time. Okay, so the second command is for calendar, that is cal. Okay, I have not installed it right now. Okay, we'll install it. We can install it by using this sudo apt install ncal, or by just uh, entering over here. Oh sorry, we should have written y over there. Okay, so it's asking for my password. It's installing, so we can just type cal and it will show the current month, just like the calendar we have. We can also view a specific month from a specific year by using cal, just like this cal. And let's say we want to see August 2021, AUG and then 2021. So this is the calendar for August 2021. The next command is pwd, which is an abbreviation for present working directory, and it shows the current directory the terminal is in open right now. So my terminal is open in home /scifire, which is my user folder. The next directory is ls shows us the listing of the current directory. So in my current directory, that is home /scifire, we can see it has about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 folders, and these are the folders in the current directory. And we can type ls tag l for these folders to be listed in a list format. Okay, and we can also type ls tag la, so it will list all the files, yeah, including the hidden files, and it will list them in a listed way. So these are some of the hidden files. In Linux, the hidden files are denoted by starting their name with dot. Okay, so these all starting with dot are hidden files. And the next command is hostname. So hostname shows the correct hostname of our virtual machine. So if you remember correctly, we named our hostname during the Kali install in my previous video, and that is what we can see here. This is Kali. So that's it for this video. I'll show you some more commands in the next videos, and you can like and subscribe this, and if you want you can share this with your friends. Thank you.